Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, hi, I am Maryam and Ramadan Mubarak to you all. So as you know, I always ordered things from local websites and places like locally. Today, first time I used eBay and I ordered some instant hijabs, and of course they took so much time to come here. It's like they said that it will be here in 3 days, but it took like 2 weeks because of some issues. I have no idea what, but they are finally here, and let's see how are they. And this is my first time that I am ordering hijabs online. I hope they are, good or not bad, or the right one that I wanted. So yeah, I'm just in a shock and surprised. I don't know, let's open it together. Okay, first are the texture, not really sure if I wanted this specific texture. It looks like they're not so much see-through, but okay, not bad. So if you guys don't know what are instant hijabs, they're hijabs with connected under caps. So it's like under cap and a hijab. So here it is how it looks. I have no idea how it looks. I'm just trying it on without a mirror. My mom is assisting me. How am I looking? And please let me know how am I looking in the comments. And material looks good, okay, but there are some things that are bothering me because it's like over here it's not stitched properly, but it's fine. Yeah, so my first online order is not a pass, but even not a fail. We'll try. Okay, so this next one is also the same, but it's for my mom or my sister. I'm not really sure who's gonna take it. So yeah, this is what I ordered, and I didn't expect it to be this. I just don't like this. Maybe it's visible in the camera, I'm not sure. So it's like, the threads are coming out. Didn't expected this to happen, but yeah, we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye.